Today on Tracy's Basement, we're giving away the SDCC Summer Convention exclusive Burning Walker Pop. Welcome back to the basement. Welcome You are so freaking random.
Marshmallow? Oh, you know what I need? I need some chestnuts.
Yeah.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
You're killing me.
It's my Eddie. It's my Eddie mask. Myron Maiden. I'm a Vegeta. Alright, let's give this away!
Today we are giving away the SDCC Summer Convention exclusive Burning Walker Pop. We had this one set for 3,000 subs, which was actually our goal for the end of the year. But we actually hit it last weekend while we were away visiting people for Christmas. So that is awesome. We hit it early. We have surpassed it. Thank you so much to everybody who subbed, who supports us. You guys are so awesome.
Marshmallow?
So without further ado, let's give away a Burning Walker Pop. And the winner is...
Yeah, no drumsticks. I'm a zombie.
Carrie Ann Franklin! Congratulations, you are the winner of the Burning Walker Pop. Woo! We will be contacting you shortly, Carrie Ann, to get your shipping info so that we can send this little guy your way. Hopefully it won't take too long to get there with Christmas shipping times and all that kind of nonsense, but we will get it on its way to you. Thank you so much for trying out the giveaway. Thank you to everybody else who participated. Also, don't forget we still have a giveaway going on for some NYCC exclusive pops, so check that out. We will link it in the description box below. There's still plenty of time to enter to win one of these 3 pops. So congratulate Carrie Ann in the comments section below. Thank you again to everybody who participated in the giveaway. If you've enjoyed the video, please give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat at Tracy's Basement, Jason from TB on Twitter. And of course, as always, keep coming back for more Tracy's Basement. Bye!